Hi, I'm Ray. We're in the garden today and we're looking at what summer flowers we can sow. So I'm going to show you what we can sow and what trays to sow your flowers in. So first I'm going to look at some big seeds, and we've got some sunflowers, Russian sunflowers, excellent for borders and good for growing with kids. We've got nasturtiums, and this is peach melba, and it's a hardy annual. And we've got some sweet peas. We can still do some sweet peas right up until April, and that would be great. And we can do these in individual pots, one seed per pot. For the bigger seeds, we can use a flower pot, or even a paper cup, cut some holes in the bottom, and we fill up the pot with compost, firm it down. We take our seeds, and this is sunflower Russian giant. We had one seed per pot. We cover it up. And then give it a water. So using cell trays or using a small flat pot or any recyclable strawberry tub, anything similar, as long as it's got some holes in the bottom of it, we could do the following seeds. And we've got marigolds, and this is African sunspot, love in the mist, and this is Miss Jekyll, and this is a beautiful, fragrant, quick to flower. And we've got some night scented stock, and this is Starlight Sensation, and we're looking forward to growing some of this. I hope it's good scent and good to have by the doorway. And we've got some cosmos, and this is a half hardy annual, and this is picotee, and this can be sown in April. This is a really interesting one. I really want to get into this one. It's a marigold, and this is French Jolly Jester, and I just love the colours on these, and these can be sown in April. We can do them in the cell trays. And then we've got scabious. This is Tor double mixed, and we've got dahlias. If you saw my greenhouse tour, you see I've got some dahlias apparently growing, but they keep getting eaten. And this is Migan mixed. We've got some geranium, half hardies, and this is a hardy perennial. And we've got some hollyhocks. We planted our hollyhocks on the allotment in the annual flower bed. And these were directly sown, but they can also be done in seed trays. And the last one we got is Rudbeckia. We can still grow some Rudbeckia, and this is marmalade, and this is a half hardy perennial. We can still do this up until April. So use a container, a little tray or your module, fill it up with some multi-purpose compost, flatten it down, we take our seeds, scatter them over the tray, we cover again with a small covering of compost, firming it down, We give it a water. And then we put our label in. We've got a few seeds that we can go straight in the ground. So we've got a wildflower, and this is corn poppy. And I'll add a link above of how we grew our poppies on the allotment. And then we've got cornflower, and this is polka dot mixed. And then finally we've got another poppy, and this is ooh la la. And that's great looking poppy. Prepare your bed where you're going to grow. Make sure it's weed free. Make some drills. We take our seeds. And we scatter along the drills. And we cover it over. We give it a water. And we'll look forward to the poppies coming out. You can also do petunias and lobelia in a tray, and I haven't got any seeds for them this year. I might try and get some, but I think we're going to do quite alright with these seeds. So we need to start sowing some of these. I need to start making some space in the greenhouse. So let me know in the comments, what flowers are you growing in April? And are you growing any of these? I'm looking forward to growing these marigolds. So if you're new to my channel, then please subscribe, ring that bell, get notifications when I post some more videos, and hopefully we'll get some of these growing. So thank you very much. Cheers for now.